Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. Please join live. So I'm going to discuss about Kalamkari today. So please join me live today. Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. I am Rosalie Panda and I am Kalamkari instructor at Yellow Frame Art Studio. So hello everyone. Is my voice is clear to all of you? Please give a thumbs up so that I can start today's session. So today I am going to discuss about this beautiful Kalamkari Krishna. So I am Rosalie Panda, Kalamkari instructor at Yellow Frame Art Studio, and yes, that we have 2-day workshop in this Saturday and Sunday, which is tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So I'm going to tell you about those workshop. Hello everyone. So we are going to recreate in our class. You can create this beautiful Krishna Kalamkari on paper, or you can also create this beautiful Kalamkari painting on canvas also. I am going to guide you step by step from scratch. So how to create this beautiful figure, human figure, I am going to teach you step by step, no tracing, nothing. You have to freehand draw all these things. And also in our workshop, I am going to teach you how you can color combination, use different type of color in Kalamkari. Also, if you don't know about Kalamkari, Kalamkari is an Indian folk art. Can you tell me in which state you can find Kalamkari? Please write down in the comment section. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining today's live session. And yeah, so as you can see, if you are interested to learn this beautiful Kalamkari Krishna, you can write down in this comment section, or you can join our inquiry group also. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days we have Kalamkari workshop. Yes, you are right, ma'am. This is beautiful art form, Andhra Pradesh, and also you can find this beautiful Kalamkari painting in Telangana also. So there are, if you don't know, there are 2 types of Kalamkari you can find. One is Machilipatnam style and another is Srikalahasti style of Kalamkari. So as you know already, I discussed this Kalamkari introduction again and again, but I am going to repeat it again. So in Machilipatnam Kalamkari style, the artists are use wooden block and they are just print those blocks into cotton textile. So that is called Machilipatnam style of Kalamkari. In the same way, in Srikalahasti of painting, Kalamkari painting, the artists are use their kalam, which is handmade, and they are using natural dye to color the cotton cloth. Nowadays there are so many that colors, ready-made colors are available. So in our workshop, I am going to teach you step by step, and also I am going to guide you everything, whatever you have queries about Kalamkari, I am going to teach you there. So this is 2-day workshop. So we have very limited seat. So if you are interested, you can enroll for this beautiful Kalamkari workshop we have. So is there any questions you have regarding Kalamkari? You can just put in the comment section. So I am going to tell you about Kalamkari. So as you can see, in Kalamkari we have similar this jewelry or ornaments designs, which you can also find in Pattachitra. So Pattachitra is an Indian folk art from Odisha, but you can see there are so many intricate work here also and in Pattachitra also, but some beautiful patterns are there which is not common in other Indian folk art. So every Indian folk art is very unique. So this Kalamkari painting workshop is only for 800 rupees for 2-day workshop. In this workshop you are going to learn how to measure the whole body of human figure, right? So you can, after this class, you can also draw other Indian that folk art, like you can, as you can see here in this art, you can see this is standing Krishna. So you can also draw standing Vishnu, standing Shivji, and many more standing position. So everything is going to be very clear to all of you, how you can draw beautiful hand postures like this. So I am going to teach you basic thing first. If you are beginner also, you can learn this beautiful art form. So like this you can enroll for our workshop. So thank you everyone for joining today's session. I hope you like this beautiful Kalamkari painting and hope you are going to enroll for the workshop. Bye bye for today. Hope you like this video.